Morning brain fog. Neurofitness. 3 wake-up drills that sharpen focus before 9 a.m. Okay, so wake up. Literally, wake up right now because your brain is basically running on dial-up internet, and we are about to upgrade you to fiber optic for free. Well, almost free. Stay tuned. Morning brain fog is not a vibe. You wake up, you stare at the ceiling, you forget your own name for like 3 seconds, and then you try to function in society. That is insane. That is genuinely unhinged behavior from your nervous system. And the worst part? Most people just chug coffee and hope for the best. Bestie, that is not a strategy. That is a prayer. So here are 3 neurofitness drills that are going to sharpen your focus before 9 in the morning. No, you do not need a gym. No, you do not need to be a morning person. You just need a functional brain in like 4 minutes. Drill number 1, cross-body tapping. This sounds fake, but it is extremely real, and neuroscientists are obsessed with it. You stand up, you tap your right hand to your left knee, then your left hand to your right knee. You alternate, fast, for 1 minute. What is happening right now is that you are forcing both hemispheres of your brain to communicate with each other. Your corpus callosum just woke up. It is confused, it is caffeinated, it is ready. This is called contralateral movement, and it fires up your prefrontal cortex, which is the part of your brain that makes decisions and stops you from sending unhinged texts at 7 in the morning. You are welcome. Drill number 2, box breathing with eye tracking. Okay, this one sounds like 2 things, and it is 2 things because we're double dipping on brain activation. You breathe in for 4 counts, hold for 4, out for 4, hold for 4. That is the box. Classic. But while you do it, you move only your eyes. Look left, look right, look up, look down, slowly. Your vagus nerve is being activated right now. Your cortisol is being told to relax. Your brain is recalibrating like a phone that just got a software update. The eye movement specifically targets your vestibular system, which is connected to alertness and spatial awareness. You are not just breathing, you are rewiring. Do this for 2 minutes and you will feel like a completely different organism. Drill number 3, cold water face splash with a 10-second breath hold. Not a full cold shower. We're not doing that to you today. You just go to the sink, splash cold water on your face 3 times, and then hold your breath for 10 seconds right after. This activates your diving reflex, which is a survival mechanism that immediately shifts your nervous system into high alert focus mode. Your heart rate drops, your brain gets flooded with oxygen, your dopamine spikes. You are now a person who is awake, biologically, certifiably awake. Now here's the thing, these drills work. They genuinely work, but your brain also needs the actual raw materials to function. And this is where I need to talk to you about something, because the fog is not always just sleep deprivation. Sometimes your brain is literally running low on magnesium, which is a mineral that most people are deficient in, and that controls over 300 enzymatic processes, including the ones responsible for focus, memory, and not completely zoning out during important conversations. Magnesium glycinate is the form that actually crosses into the brain efficiently, and it is the one that people in the cognitive performance world genuinely swear by. Not the cheap stuff that just gives you a stomachache, the glycinate form. It supports your neurotransmitters while you sleep, so you actually wake up with a brain that is ready to be sharpened instead of a brain that needs to be resuscitated. The link is in the description. It is an Amazon product. It is straightforward. You grab it, you take it at night, and then your morning drills actually hit different because your brain had the building blocks to restore itself overnight. This is the combo. The drills wake you up. The magnesium keeps your baseline from hitting the floor. So to recap, cross-body tapping for 1 minute, box breathing with eye tracking for 2 minutes, cold water face splash with a breath hold, and magnesium glycinate from the link below if you want the inside of your skull to actually cooperate with your life goals. You have less excuses now. Your brain fog has been served eviction papers. Go be functional. Go be sharp. Go absolutely dominate your morning before 9, like the unhinged high-performing individual you are pretending to be until you actually become one. Link is in the description. See you tomorrow. Try to remember your own name this time. This material is for educational and strategic purposes only. It does not constitute financial or medical advice. Consult qualified professionals before altering your structural routines.